All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, Drip Network at 365% of your initial investment, 1% a day, and also Splassive, 2% a day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Today we're talking about AMP token. And we're also going to talk a little bit about Shiba Inu, new things that Shiba could be getting into. So mostly about AMP, sliver about Shiba, and we're going to cover the gas prices again. A little bit about the gas prices. Not going any better right anytime soon. Have to have strategies to combat the gas prices. All right. AMP token price prediction, go to their website, all kinds of stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, AMP token is up 1% in the last 24 hours. It's number 81, so it's still in the top 100. Traded at 2 cents, 0.26. Clicking it. All right, AMP token, here we go. It's up a little bit today. Traded at 0.26. What's going on with the AMP token? So in the last 24 hours, it's up slightly. In the last 7 days, it's down slightly. All right, so some news here. AMP is a digital collateral token that provides instant variable assurance for any real-world application. It's been developed by Flexa HQ, and they right here have 44,000 followers. So a couple big things. This will be the deepest AMP liquidity pool on the DEX. What does this mean for the average user? More options for fulfilling trades and new decentralized stablecoin pairs to trade against. All right, AMP is partnering with Ondu Finance and Frac Finance on a new Frac as Service offer. Community members have put up 10 million of AMP and 10 million of Frac. So 20 million has gone into this. This is the big thing. We're excited to announce that AMP has joined Frac as Service to establish a brand new 20 million liquidity pool in Frac/AMP on Uniswap through Ondu Finance Vaults. So go to Ondu Finance Vaults to find this. So you can basically go ahead and can participate. Grateful to partner with AMP Token and Frac Finance on this initiative to enable low-cost liquidity for AMP. Fantastic news here. And of course, AMP is on DigiFinix now. It's listed. This is not quite a month though, but you can go to DigiFinix and get your AMP token there today, trade and all that good stuff. Big news for that is the more things that get listed on for AMP, the more people can know about AMP. $20 million here on this Ondu. This is pretty big too, everybody. All right, over at the AMP token website, for people that don't know about the AMP, or a little refresher, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like Dash with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. As you watch this, it kind of goes around like ETH, Ethereum, and look, next it's going to go to Bitcoin, and it kind of goes around the horn there. Pretty cool, huh? All right, there's 3 things you can do with the AMP token. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and you can repeat. So when you stake the AMP, AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfer. By staking the AMP, any form value can exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency, exchanges, loan distributions, properties and sales, and more. Once you do that, then you send it. Once staked to a portion, AMP is ready to collateralize a transfer with the use of collateral pools. AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of the asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof networks and real-world applications. The last thing would be repeat. AMP also simplifies the network rewards distribution once a transaction is complete. The AMP smart contracts offer a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro distribution and continuously compounding, so you're making your money, which is fantastic. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users, built with smart contracts, features purposes built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. Collateral for service, extensible and open source. You can go to the website and check out their white pages if you want to dig into it. Meet our friends and people that they work with, from staking payments on Flexa to providing stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn the AMP token today. Here are some of the people they're staking with and providing stability with liquidity. We got Flexa. We got Gemini, Coinbase, can't name them all, Sushi, Uniswap, crytpo.com, everybody's heard of them, Moonswap, Rainbow, Zapper, CoinGecko, and Chainlink, just to name a few. So the AMP token right here, let's take money into the 21st century. All right, this token's at 0.26 cents, so we're going to come back and do a price prediction. What about the Shiba Inu? It's trying, Shiba still, I mean, it's doing pretty good. It's way up in there, top 100. I mean, it's in top 15, top 17, top 12. But what's Shiba getting into? Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's check out the Shiba Inu. It says, here's how Shiba Inu is veering into the medical world. Shiba and medical? All right. Shiba has been taking its investors with a wide range of industries: food, fashion, real estate, and now medicine. With several partners already in place, the asset continues to score new deals. In similar cases, Shiba managed to amass a place at a clinical in Venezuela. Wow. She pointed out Canyon, a clinic that has been in picture for over 16 years now, accepts Shiba Inu payments. Shiba wasn't the only asset accepted by the platform. According to a recent post, cryptocurrency like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Binance Coin, BNB, Cardano, and a few others were accepted by the clinic as well. Wow, Shiba's being accepted. This inclusive of Shiba Inu would make Canning, K-A-N-A-N-N-E, a very first clinical to accept the altcoin for payment. So I may have a hard time saying this, Canon, but the Shiba Inu may be the first to accept this payment. After burgers, Shiba Inu seems to be exploring Mexican food, a restaurant name. Can't say the name, but we'll blow it up here. That restaurant right there in Spain is now also moving to accept Shiba Inu for payments. So we got all kinds of restaurants, all kinds of places right here. They're accepting Shiba Inu for payments. And it says 20 billion SHIB tokens are now in the ETH whale's control. The meme coin revolution gave birth to the Shiba Inu SHIB, the asset manager garners immense attention across the globe. ETH whales were also part of the list that had been splurging on the altcoin for a long time now. More recently, an ETH whale made a monumental purchase of over 200, let's say that one again, over 200 billion Shiba Inu tokens. The whale took it on Twitter and announced the movement. The ETH whale reportedly bought a total of, there's a lot there, 200 billion, or numbers that you can recognize, 4.9 million. So 4.9 million bought by the Shiba Inu whale. ETH whale, actually. So there's the Shiba and the medical world now. Fantastic. Trying to get, here's where Shiba Inu is veering into the medical world. All right, I think that's fantastic. Shiba Inu is doing all kinds of good stuff. Hospitals are now accepting it as payment, food, and everything else. All right, give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think of Shiba Inu? AMP token. What do you think of AMP token? Well, we got to talk about the gas prices. Are they getting any better across the country? Are you doing any strategies to basically try to combat the bad gas prices? All right, here we are at AAA's website, gasprices.aaa.com. You can go to this website and you can kind of hover around. Right here in Arizona, gas prices are $4.68. Up here in Montana, slightly over $4. Over here in South Carolina, $3.94. North Carolina's over $4. The average across the country, $4.24. Now, that's kind of like the current average right now, but a week ago it was about the same price. A month ago it was $3.59, so it has spiked up in a month. But comparing it to the year, $4.24 opposed to $2.86. That's a lot, everybody. Even diesel over here a year ago was $3.10. Diesel is up $2. I mean, if you're driving diesel trucks or diesel cars, I mean, where did you just make up that? I mean, it's not 100%. It's probably like 65% increase. I mean, it's crazy. Over here on this website, you can go ahead and pick a state. Say we picked Maine for an example, and we viewed the stats. Now it's going to pull up Maine, and it's going to have all the different counties. You can go and look at each county. Oxford County is $4.20. Washington County, $4. So the nice thing about this website, it is pretty good. Check it out. But how are you going to combat the prices? Well, here's some quick ideas. When you're doing your grocery store shopping, you may need to do it every 10 days, 3 times a month, instead of 4 times a month, once a week. By doing it 3 times a month, you're going to cut out one trip. That saves you a little bit of gasoline. You may also want to take the grocery shopping every 2 weeks. You're going to double up on your bill. If you're used to spending $200 at the grocery store, now you're going to spend $400, but you're going to save that gas by going once every 2 weeks instead of once every week. Also, at the grocery stores and the Walmarts, you can actually order online and have it sent to you. They may throw a little surcharge in there, but you're still saving money. And the biggest one is if you're working at a job and you're going there every single day, you need a carpool. Two quick strategies. You and one friend, you're at work for 4 weeks. The friend drives for 2 weeks. You drive for 2 weeks. You saved on 50% of your gas. You just got to pick up your friend and drive that friend home. But you're saving in tremendous gas money. A lot of people's paychecks are set. There's no bonuses. There's no way to get a raise right this second. So with gas being higher, you have to think of ways to strategize with this. Best thing, you and 3 people at your job. Each one of you take 1 day. I take the first week. Bob takes the second week. Sally takes the third week. Henry takes the fourth week. All of us have to pick each other up. So you got a little extra strategy of who you're going to pick up first and all that good stuff. But now you're only driving 1 week out of 4. You save 75% of your gas money. All right, a little tips from Frank's Crypto Corner. Also, TaskRabbit, you can start doing little tasks. Go to taskrabbit.com. Check that out. Uber, DoorDash. I like cryptocurrency projects. This is the cryptocurrency channel. I like the Splassive. I'll leave the link in the bottom, 2% a day. I like the Drip Network. Piston's coming up in a little bit. We're going to be doing the Piston project. And then I like the Notes project. So I know the prices are kind of fluctuating, but I still like them. All right. All our information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget that. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon. All right. Let's head back over to AMP Token for a little price prediction and finish up on the AMP. All right. Back over here at AMP Token's website. So again, if you want to use the AMP and stake it up at the top of the website, you would go ahead and click it using the AMP. And now you can stake it. How to stake the AMP. It tells you right here. You would connect your wallet. This is how much AMP is already staked. Fantastic. Then there's a little tutorial. You would connect your MetaMask or your Trust wallet or whatever wallet you're using. You find the address. You click it. Boom. You go ahead and you connect the Lightning. Stake your Lightning. Pretty fantastic, everybody. Right on the website. You got a little tutorial. Welcome back. Also want to cover this. AMP is on Atomic Wallet. AMP is a collateralized token made for instant and secure payments. As now can be stored, exchange AMP, and get cash back for it. Welcome AMP token to Atomic Wallet. So you got the AMP token on Atomic Wallet. Fantastic for everybody that's using that platform. They can get their AMP token. And last, AMP is now available on VOD Official, a full support for trading, lending, borrowing, and saving. Trade AMP via AMP/USDT. Or AMP/INR. Earn 1% of the VOD savings and earn tokens to collateralize a loan at 200%. Holy cow, everybody. What are you waiting for? Head over to VOD's Official and start earning, trading, lending, and borrowing. We have over 250 coins. All right, back over here at the coin market cap. What's our price prediction? Our price prediction, I think this token can get to 0.28. It's going to go up a little bit, not quite 0.29. All our information, of course, is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework, do your own research. We're all just friends here. All right, AMP token, check it out. Also, Shiba Inu, trying to jump into different fields. Gas prices, doing different strategies. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Splassive. Get 2% a day. 360% of your initial investment, 2% a day for 180 days. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day as we do our journey together on cryptocurrency. All right, everybody. See you a little bit later.